Hi, my name is Dave Ross and I'm a product manager here with Citrus Technology. In this video I'm going to look at conditional highlighting for grids. This is used in all of the grids in the analysis tools, and that means that once you set it up you can take advantage of that feature across the entire environment. The purpose of this is to allow you to very quickly get a feel for your data set, and also to see things which might not be immediately apparent in a data set such as this. For example, here on this set we're looking at yellow showing nulls. Nulls are not the same as empty strings, which you'll see in another set. This is actually data which is not present in the database. The greens are showing me strings which are purely made out of digits, not necessarily numbers, but just a simple sequence of digits. And to show you how this is set up, what we can do is we can go to Tools, Highlighting, and here we see that the null has been set up to yellow, and if I double click on that I get a color chooser and I can pick a different shade. Okay. The empty strings are shown as grey. I have none in this example, but I'll show you later on an example with some empty strings. And an empty string is signified by a regular expression which starts immediately, the string starts immediately and then immediately ends. Okay. And if I look at a number, this simply says the start of the string followed by one or more digits followed by the end of the string. And trailing spaces, which are quite interesting because it's hard to see again in a data set, says any space followed by the end of the string. Illegal characters are handled specially within the tool, and an illegal character is basically any character which can't be shown on screen for some reason. It's not got a valid character code, and you see this a lot in data loads, and it's worth seeing strings containing illegal characters. Now the ordering of these is actually quite significant. It's possible that a string can actually match more than one of these checks. I think in this case it's not likely to happen, but it's possible. And so what happens is, effectively, you can imagine the tool scanning down this list of checks from top to bottom. The first one that matches the string is the colouring that is applied. So if you have colourings which can collide, then you need to put your highest priority ones higher up, and you can order them using up and down buttons such as this. Okay, right, as I promised, I have another set which I can show you, which let's just see this one here. And what you can see here is the grey out cells, they contain empty strings. They're not nulls, they're actually strings there that have nothing in them. And these email addresses shown in orange clearly have trailing spaces at the end of them. We can't see how long they are, but we do know that they're there. So those email addresses aren't just the only thing in that string. Okay. Now, just to show you to change one of these, you can see here I'm showing digits in green. What I can do is I can bring up the editor again, Tools, Highlighting, bring that across here, and just change this check for number. If I put in a slightly better check, what this check does is allow plus or minuses to lead the string, followed by a number of digits, followed by a point, optionally followed by a point, followed by a number of digits. And if I try that as a highlighter, refresh the grid, and what you now see is all of the cells with numbers in them are now coloured green. Okay, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop me a line at video.citrustechnology.com, or for more information you can look at our website at www.citrustechnology.com, and there's a free version of this tool available for MySQL and Firebird. Thank you.